Section B. Question number 21. Find the LCM of 26 and 91 by prime factorization. So remove the factors of 26. 2 multiplied by 13 and factors of 91, 13 multiplied by 3. So we need to find LCM. So 2 one time, 7 one time and 13 one time. If we multiply all of them, we get 182 answer. Question number 22. Find question number 22. The sum and the product of a 0 of a quadratic polynomial are 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3. Write the polynomial in x. So sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to 2 upon 3 and product of 0 is alpha dot beta is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So we have the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta. So after substituting x square minus 2x upon 3 x plus minus 1 upon 3. Okay, now we have a 3 in a denominator, so I will multiply each term by 3. After multiplying by 3, my correct answer will be 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Question number 23. Find the sum of first 20 even numbers of an arithmetic progression. Even number means we'll find in two tables. Okay, so first number will be 2, 4, 6 and so on. Okay, so my first term will be a is equal to 2, so d is equal to a2 minus a1. So a2 is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, so n is equal to 20. So we need to find first the sum of first 20 terms. Okay, so first I'm using an formula. Okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, after substituting the values I will get an a20 is equal to 40. Then afterwards I will be using this Sn formula. Okay, there are two ways to do this. Okay, either you can do like this or there is one more formula. Okay, directly you can substitute. See here, directly you can use Sn formula. Okay, after substituting Sn formula directly you can find that answer using only one formula. In the previous this I have used an and then after that I have used Sn formula. Here I can do directly by writing Sn formula. Okay. Question number 24. Find first 4 terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is minus 2 and a common difference is minus 2. Okay, so we need to find this. Okay, my first term is minus 2. The second term will be first term plus common difference, and common difference they have given us minus 2. If I add them minus minus it will be minus 4. Then a3 will be a2 plus d. So minus 4 minus 2 will give you minus 6. Similar, you have to find a4. Okay, a4 will be what? a3 plus d. Okay, so minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So in the question they ask us to find the arithmetic. In question they told us to find the first 4 terms of an arithmetic progression. So therefore ap is equal will be minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 8. Question number 25. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, ADE, ADB and AEC. AD is equal to 24, AE is equal to 32 centimeter and EC is equal to 48. Find AB. So now I have drawn that triangle. Okay, ABC. Okay, since DE parallel to AB, I can write AD upon AB and AE upon AC. So AD they have given us 24 upon AB is equal to 32 upon 80. So I will take AB on other side. Okay, and 80 will go in multiplication. It is now in division over here, no? So it will go in multiplication over here, and 32 will go down. After cancelling I will get AB is equal to 60. Question number 26. Find the distance between a point A 1 comma 2 and B 3 comma 4. Okay, we need to find a distance. So AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x1 is 1 and x2 is 3. Okay, after substituting, okay, and y1 will be 2 and y2 will be 4. After substituting, I will get final answer root 8. Okay, so then I am removing the factors. Okay, so if two numbers are there, no, under root, so one number I can remove outside. Okay, so final answer will be 2 root 2 units. Question number 26. Point P comma x comma y divides the line segment joining point A 1 comma 2 and B 6 comma 7 in the ratio 2:3. Find the value of x and y. Here ratios are given 2:3, so m1 will be 2 and m2 will be 3. Okay, so using section formula, okay, using section formula, P bracket x comma y is equal to bracket m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 upon m2. Okay, so now I am substituting the values. Okay, so m1 is given 2, so x2 is given 6. Okay, plus m2 is given 3, so multiply by x1 is 1. Okay, so after solving this, for final answer I will get as p comma x comma y is equal to 3 comma 4. So the value of x will be 3 and value of y will be 4. Question number 27. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 and sine C is equal to 12 upon 13. Find the length of BC and the value of tan A. Okay, sine C is equal to 12 upon 13. So 12 is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. So AB will be 12k and AC will be 13k. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC. So after substituting the value of AC, 13k whole square is equal to 12k whole square plus BC. So the value of 13 square will be 169k square. Okay, so and for 12 it will be 144 square. If I take on the other side, it will be in subtraction. Okay, so after subtracting, I will get at 25k square is equal to BC square. So now BC, I want only BC. Okay, so if I take a square on the other side, it will be root 25k square. Okay, so final answer will be BC is equal to 5k. Okay, so the length of BC is 5k. But in question they have asked one more, there is a second part also. Okay, find the value of 10. Okay, so 10 definition will be what? Opposite upon adjacent. So opposite side will be BC upon AB. So 5k upon 12k, k will cancel and final answer will be 12 upon 5 upon 12. Question number 27. Okay, there is the option. I will suggest for the students to solve this sum. Okay, this will take less time. Okay, to solve. Cos square 30 plus sin square 45 plus tan square 30. So I know the trigonometry ratios of 30 and 45. So sin theta will be 1 upon 2, cos theta will be root 3 upon 2, and tan theta will be 1 upon root 3. So and 45 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 and 1. Okay, so here I have solved. Okay, so under cos square it will be root 3 upon 2 whole square plus sin square 45 will be 1 upon root 2 square and plus root tan square 30 will be 1 upon root 3 whole square. Okay, so root 3 square will be 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. Here denominators are different, so what I have to do? I have to do cross multiplication. I have done cross multiplication over here. Okay, so the final answer will be 19 upon 12. Question number 28. Prove the trigonometry identity cos square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus cot square is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to cos square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus cot square theta. Using identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now in place of 1 plus cot square theta, I will substitute cot square theta. Okay, so cos square theta plus 1 upon cosec square theta. So 1 upon cos square theta will be 1 upon sin square theta. Okay, so cos square theta plus 1 divided by 1 upon sin square theta. Okay, now here there is division, no? If I put multiplication over here, this part will become reciprocal. Okay, so cos square theta plus 1 multiplied by sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, that is equal to RHS. Question number 29. A tent of a height 15 meter is in the form of right circular cylinder of diameter 24 meter, and a height is surmounted by a right circular cone of same diameter. Find first slant height, second curved surface area of a cylinder. Do not substitute pi. Okay, radius is equal to 12 and height is equal to 5 they have given. Okay, of a cone. So slant height formula will be L is equal to root r square plus h square. So is equal to root 12 square plus 5 square. Okay, so value of L will be 13 meter. Second second part of it is they told us to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, curved surface area of cylinder is what? 2 pi r h. Okay, so 2 pi r will be 12 and h will be 10. Okay, 2 and 12 if you multiply you will get 240, and 240 multiplied by 10 will be 240 pi, and they told us not to substitute a value of pi, so final answer will be 240 pi. Question number 30. The table given below shows the marks scored by the 50 students in the economic test. Find the mode of data. Okay, so F1, which is your number is having highest frequency? 18, no? So that will be your F1, and F0 will be 2, and F2 will be 16. See, F1 is equal to 18, so F0 is equal to 2 and F2 is equal to 16. The model class will be 20 and dash 30. So L will be 20 and H will be 10. So what is the formula of mode? Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So after substituting, okay, values, okay, I will get a 20 plus 80 upon 9. Okay, so then I did division over here. Okay, so 9 divided by 80, and final answer I will get as a 28.88. Question number 31. A bag contains 15 red ball, 18 black ball and 17 white ball. The ball is drawn out of the bag at a random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is a white ball? So number of white ball will be how much? 17, and total number of balls will be 50. Okay, so total ball will be 50. Okay, and number of white ball will be 17, and P of E will be the number of outcome favorable to E upon total possible outcome. So is equal to 17 upon 50. Then second part, okay, in second part, not a red ball. So not a red ball will be how much? 50 minus 15. Okay, so it will be 35. So P of E will be what? 35 upon 50. After cancellation I will get 7 upon 10. That will be my final answer.